For over half a century, we've taken our stewardship of the earth seriously. The legacy continues with Legacy of Clean. We believe that making the world a better place is something that you should do every day. And we've been doing that for over 50 years with our environmentally responsible, high-performing products.
Join us in keeping the legacy alive and keeping our planet healthy. Legacy of Clean products offer solutions for all of your cleaning needs. For every mess, stain, every surface of your home.
And they're formulated without any harmful phosphates, ammonia, chlorine, or noxious fumes. They're as safe as they are effective. So you can rub out any dirt, grease, grime, limescale, or even this permanent marker
without rubbing the earth the wrong way. And they come in recyclable, reusable packaging. And even though this all-purpose cleaner concentrated refill is meant to be diluted, it's nice to know that the concentrated power is there when you need it.
And when you're done, you don't need to rinse or open a window. Legacy of Clean products smell like refreshing citrus, green herb, or fresh flowers. Never like chemicals.
And these laundry detergents pack just as much cleaning power in their concentrated formulas as the other brands. So I know my clothes will come out clean. And Legacy of Clean products are phosphate free, so I know that nothing that goes down the drain will harm the planet or my family. Legacy of Clean laundry products power away dirt and stains naturally, then rinse away clean, leaving no harmful residues behind.
Yeah, but what if you spill something while you're out at a restaurant? Like that?
Hey, no problem. Show 'em, Mike.
Okay.
With Legacy of Clean towelettes, you can take the cleaning power with you. They're a lifesaver for everyday spills and messes, and they're safe for your hands, clothes, and your family.
If water won't harm it, Legacy of Clean LOC towelettes can clean it.
Amway, in partnership with the U.S. EPA, is a proud participant in the Design for Environment program, which promotes the use of products with improved environmental characteristics.
Introducing Legacy of Clean products. Positively clean since 1959. Legacy of Clean products are available exclusively through an Amway independent business owner.